Guys, so welcome to this strange unboxing. Yes, very strange. If you see over there, it says Southcoast Plaza. And yes, I've made quite a few videos on Liuli. And for some reason, I was lucky enough to get my hands on one of these amazing things. Now, do I get to keep this? Probably not. And I do this a lot with some of the reviewers and companies that are actually nice enough to give me a shot. Is sometimes they'll send me things like this that I can show you guys, and then I'll just package it up and send it back to the company. Anyway, this thing looks fantastic already. Look at the care that they went through to make this beautiful flower and all the logos and all that stuff. It looks really wonderful, but let's see what's inside. Whoa, this is cool, guys. You're greeted with this.
Likey